welcome to my channel. My name is Diana Romanovska and I am a certified family law specialist practicing family law in the Bay Area, California. Today I would like to talk about all discovery tools available in family law and especially in divorce situation. Number one, interrogatories. They call it special interrogatories. When I need to know some answers and, for example, how many bank accounts do you have, or if someone tries to set aside a prenuptial agreement, I would like to know more details. I do send special interrogatories and ask questions. Could be date of separation as an issue. Do you think, what is the date of separation? And then the other person has to answer. Second tool, request for documents. So when the other side is informally not disclosing the documents needed to determine what is community property, then what I do, I send a list of documents that we need. For example, bank statements for the time period of last 3 to 5 years. If the other side owns a business and claims confidentiality, then we sign protective order to keep these records confidential and not disclose it outside of court. And when we file something, it's going to be under seal. Third tool, which is not very common but exists, it's request for admission. It's yes or no question. And then depending on the answer, it can be used in court, in trial, in a hearing to challenge if there is later during the process an opposite testimony presented by the other side. Deposition is tool number 4. Deposition is, I invite opposing side into my office with their counsel and can ask all questions that are important to know, whether it's about, especially if the other side is hiding assets outside of California, outside of the US, if they try to set a prenuptial agreement or enforce a prenuptial agreement, surrounding circumstances that is tough to answer in special interrogatories because it's only one question and doesn't allow a lot of follow-ups. So that is important tool, especially for impeachment purposes, meaning when we have a trial and then usually it's a few months later, the other side might forget what they said and they can be challenged to discredit their credibility. And that is a very important tool. And finally, subpoenas. Subpoenas is forms that we send to, let's say, institution, banks, to get all the records we need. Sometimes when we send document demand, you wonder, why do you need subpoenas? We get something back that is insufficient. Some bank accounts are missing. Some bank statements completely are missing. And banks will, unless objected by the other side, which they're not supposed to, because they have to disclose it in the first place, then the bank will have to disclose all of these accounts, and sometimes it arrives in a very nice USB and downloadable to computer easily. That is it on discovery tools in a divorce process. I hope that was helpful, and I will see you soon. Bye!